Welcome everyone, my name is Sergey and welcome to the Geek Tech Show. In this show, I'm going to be doing the ultimate review for the Vantrue on-dash T2 camera and find out if this is the ultimate dashboard camera just for you. We're going to be doing unboxing, testing, and seeing the daytime and nighttime footage for this camera. If you did enjoy this channel, make sure you subscribe to it. There's new episodes coming in all the time. This is unbiased, real, and of course unedited, raw, real review of this dashboard camera. I'm not getting it for a discount, and I buy all my stuff on Amazon, and you should do this as well. There's going to be a link right down below where you can subscribe to this channel and get this for the cheapest possible price. It is available on Amazon with a very generous return policy if it doesn't work for you. Win-win situation for you, my friends. Now, you'll find out in this video if I'm going to give this a thumbs up if this is a great product, or a thumbs down if this product totally blows, sucks and everything else. So in this video, I'm going to go into real, unedited, raw footage of the Vantrue on-dash T2 camera. Thank you so much for watching, and now it is time for us to unbox, check it out, and see if this is the right dashboard camera for you. Look what we got in the mail, the Vantrue dash camera. I'm pretty excited to get this. Hopefully it is better than the previous dash camera. I have tested it out. I really want to keep one of those, so I'm getting it for myself. This is how the box actually looks like, and you'll be the first one to see it actually get opened up. So let's see what is inside. Hopefully it is something good. Yeah. I'm not a fan of those plastic wrapping, but at least I know it is brand new, right? Anyways, it should be more eco-friendly. That's my criticism of this one. Now the box looks pretty good. I got this from Amazon. Vantrue. Let's see what's inside. Enjoy your product. How in the world did this happen? I didn't even open this. I wonder if this is like a Japanese version or something. Anyways, here's the booklet. It shouldn't be Japanese. It starts with English. And who reads those manuals, really? I like stuff that you can set up right from the box. This is packed well. Ooh, this looks good. And this has to be taken off. So make sure you take this off before you start playing with this. And after my car got into a small accident, this might actually be the best thing that you can get for your vehicle. Hopefully it is anyways. This one also has some screen to this. I might actually just keep this one on. It's not really needed. But it looks much better built than the previous one I checked out. Two more of those inside. What is in here? It's always interesting to see what is inside those things. Oh, I got like 1,000,000 of those. Cool. I'm serious, I got so many of those. Why? Why in the world would you give me something like this? This is like totally useless. I don't have a cigarette lighter in my car. But yes, I have a USB stick. Guess this is for old school people. And what's inside here? Wow, how many cables. This is probably the most important part of it. And you can just plug this in just like that. there is actually a new version 2.0 of the same exact thing here, and we might actually get this if this actually works out. There's another one here with the switch, another power button. This is to make it longer, I guess, and some kind of a remote. I think it's a remote. Nope, it's like just another power, just to make it longer. So pretty much all you're really paying for is this right here, which is the Vantrue camera. That's how it looks like. And I got the version that has only one of those cameras. I don't need one for my passenger seat. And no, this doesn't flip. That's how it is. It just stays just like this. So the next step for us to do is to just charge it up. And after we're done charging it, we're gonna put this in real action and see how this actually translates into day footage, night footage, and so on. And if I actually recommend this camera for you guys to use. Plus you can judge it yourself after seeing the actual footage of this camera. Now it is time to put in the SD card. It is actually right here. There is this SD card button right there. But the hard thing about this is that this is like almost impossible to get into this. So unless you're a female and you have huge nails, you're gonna have a hard time getting this out of here. And it took me a while to figure out how to get it out. After a while it gets loosened up and it's easier for you to get in here. Unfortunately, this does not come with the microSD card, which is not really necessary. It has some probably internal memory, but still, you want to have your own microSD card. When you have the microSD card, all you have to do is to insert this in. And here's the second problem. You have to make sure it clicks all the way in when you put this in. Otherwise, if you put it like this, it's incorrect. It sticks out and it's not going to actually initialize the card. So what do? Well, you can try to put this in more with your hand, like this. Just keep doing it until it actually clicks in, or you can just get something else, like an object, and just push it in a little bit and it sticks in here. Or of course, if you want to eject it, you put something inside here if it gets stuck. Or you can just press on it very slightly and let it go, and that's it. Unfortunately, this is not the best of ways to insert and get out something like this. So this is a weak spot in this. After you do this, make sure you just press on this and make sure it is tight inside. Looks good right now. And now it is time for it to get charged, because now it has the SD card all the way inside of it. Now I'm having a close-up here so you can actually see this. In the bottom, I press the option menu right here. So okay, it stops recording, and now go to setup. You can see all the different options here. Files, code setup, system setup. Press on OK. Press on here, system setup. Here we go, system setup. GPS setup files. Listen, okay, into the system setup. That's what we want. That's alright. And here we go. Yeah, format SD card is the one we want. So this is not that easy to get into, but it is doable. It is not one of the best positions for you to do this, of course. I'm gonna get it done. Here we go. Press on system setup. Press on OK. And we want to keep going until it gets to Format SD card. Press on OK. Erase all data. Press on OK. Press on it again. And there we go. So now we're good to go and good to start recording this from scratch. That's exactly what we want. There we go. That's all you have to do in order to get started with this automatically for it to record. And this is how it actually looks like on the onboard camera screen. So here it is how it actually looks like once you finish configuring this out. It's going underneath the cable. Step out the vehicle and you can see how it looks like from the other side. You can't really see anything. Which is kind of good. So this is not as bad as I initially thought. So you can't really tell that much that there is actually a recording device inside the car.
I'm Jay Farner, CEO of Quicken Loans. Buying a home should be one of life's best experiences, but today's fluctuating interest rates can leave you with unexpected higher payments, and that can turn a great experience into an anxious one. At Quicken Loans, we've created a new way to protect you from unpredictable interest rates. It's called